Conjugation of the verb to boil in 12 English tenses. 1. Simple present, I boil. 2. Simple past, I boiled. 3. Simple future, I will boil. 4. Present continuous, I am boiling. 5. Past continuous, I was boiling. 6. Future continuous, I will be boiling. 7. Present perfect, I have boiled. 8. Past perfect, I had boiled. 9. Future perfect, I will have boiled. 9. Future perfect, I will have boiled. 10. Present perfect continuous, I have been boiling. 11. Past perfect continuous, I had been boiling. 12. Future perfect continuous, I will have been boiling. Conjugation of the verb to boil, he, she or it. 1. Simple present, he, she or it boils. 2. Simple past, he, she or it boiled. 3. Simple future, he, she or it will boil. 4. Present continuous, he, she or it is boiling. 5. Past continuous, he, she or it was boiling. 6. Future continuous, he, she or it will be boiling. 7. Present perfect, he, she or it has boiled. 8. Past perfect, he, she or it had boiled. 9. Future perfect, he, she or it will have boiled. 10. Present perfect continuous, he, she or it has been boiling. 11. Past perfect continuous, he, she or it had been boiling. 12. Future perfect continuous, he, she or it will have been boiling. Conjugation of the verb to boil, you, we or they. 1. Simple present, you, we or they boil. 2. Simple past, you, we or they boiled. 3. Simple future, you, we or they will boil. 4. Present continuous, you, we or they are boiling. 5. Past continuous, you, we or they were boiling. 6. Future continuous, you, we or they will be boiling. 7. Present perfect, you, we or they have boiled. 8. Past perfect, you, we or they had boiled. 9. Future perfect, you, we or they will have boiled. 10. Present perfect continuous, you, we or they have been boiling. 11. Past perfect continuous, you, we or they had been boiling. 12. Future perfect continuous, you, we or they will have been boiling. Verb to boil forms. Present simple, I, you, we, they boil. She, it boils. Past simple boiled. Past participle boiled, ing form boiling.